Hello guys and welcome to this mini video tutorial explaining how to use the app I am Blaze. I am Blaze is the app where the experts slash educators are gonna be sending you the trading ideas, not for the binary options, but for basically the forex market ideas. Okay. The I Am Blaze app, of course, in this little stack of apps that I have right here, it's gonna be the one on the right side. Okay, and also in this mini video, I'm gonna be touching, well, not touching, but letting you know that this app it goes together with the app on its left, which is MetaTrader 4, and I guess I'll do a separate video on how to use MetaTrader 4. But the trading ideas that you're gonna be receiving on I Am Blaze are gonna be uh, the ones you're gonna have to copy and paste in MetaTrader 4. But like I said, I'll do a separate video explaining how to use it. But for now, if you haven't already watched the swipe option video, make sure you watch that one first. That way, you have an idea on how to use the I Am Blaze app because it's basically the same. Now, the first thing that you're gonna see whenever you open this app is gonna be, or it's gonna ask you for your username and password, which is the username and password that you created whenever you enroll to the company. Once you put that information in and you open the app, this is what you're gonna see. You're gonna be looking at trading ideas for the forex market. And like I said, if you haven't already watched this swipe option video, I recommend you to watch that one first because, like I said, it's basically the same. So I'm not gonna be going in full on how to use this app because, like I said, I already did it on the swipe option, and since it's almost the same, I'm just gonna give you a quick tour on this app. Now, for the I Am Blaze ideas, most of them for um, most of them most of the ideas, or basically, yeah, I want to say like 90% of the ideas are gonna be written in English, and this is really good for many of you because, of course, being in English, it's way better and easier than translating from Spanish. But like I said, same thing right here. When you open the app, you're gonna have different trading ideas for the forex market. On the search button on the bottom, you're gonna see which operations are active or discarded or completed or partial complete, and which one are still active. And there's actually some actives right now, which is the euro and the Great Britain pound and Great Britain pound USD as of today. It also tells you which ones are going to be break even. If you are interested in knowing more what does partial complete or break even, what does that mean? If you are interested in knowing that, I recommend you to watch the videos from the favorite sessions from the educators in the English section in GoLive.im. That way you can get started on the forex market in the English language. Most of the teachers, for not saying 98% of the whole teachers in English, are going to be focused on the trading or basically on this app for the I Am Blaze. So all the material that you're going to be seeing in their favorite sessions, the ones that they say for you to rewatch and learn how to read the market, well, is basically going to be for this app. So I recommend you to go watch those videos. That way you can understand what does break even mean, or what does partially incomplete or partial complete means, and many more of the few things that you're gonna be looking inside this app. Like I said, if we click, let's say for this one, which is between the gold and the United States dollars, let's click it. Now, like I said, this app is different because this is not information that you're gonna be typing or waiting for, like the binary option trading. This is actually information that you're gonna be copying and pasting inside the MetaTrader app. Okay, but in this case, like I said, I'm gonna explain a little bit more in detail whenever I do the MetaTrader 4 app video. Teaching you how to use it and how to read these trading ideas. Like I said, once you open it, it's gonna tell you order type. It's gonna be bearish, which is put, sell, or red button, but we don't have a red button in this. 5 minute time frame. Well, 5 minute, they mean the candles that they're looking at. They're looking at the candles that are 5 minutes. This operation, that doesn't mean that it only lasts 5 minutes. These operations in the forex market, they can either take 1 minute, or they could be 5 minutes, 20 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 5 hours, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month, 1 year. Like, these are operations that are it could be really short or really long operations. Okay. We have also the zone of action. We have the invalidation level. We have the exit 1, exit 2, and we have the status. In this case, right now, is discarded. And like I say, it tells us some information that, like I said, I'm gonna be teaching in another video for you guys to understand easier. But we also have the chart, where we can see on the right side it's very blurry right now, but it's basically the entry zone. Basically, this teacher is expecting for the market to just keep going down and non-stop, hoping to reach the first blue line, or with luck, hoping to reach that second line, which is going to be a lot more profits. Most of the time, I want to say 80% of the time, they only reach exit 1, which is the first blue line. But whenever it reaches that second line, in that 20% of chances, you're gonna really make some really good profits. Okay, like I said, in the next video teaching how to use MetaTrader app, I'm gonna be explaining how to read these charts, because these are a little different than the binary option. Okay, like I said, this is where you look for the information. We also have the Blaze chat room, and like I said, most of them are gonna be in English. There's a few in Spanish, but like I said, most of them are gonna be in English. Like I said, Euro, USD, re-entry, move to break even. Like I said, if you would like to know what all these phrases mean, like I said, go ahead and watch from English educators in Go Live that I am, so you can start learning and understanding what all these words mean and how you can profit from this app as well. Okay. You also, let's see if we can encounter, but we also have educators from Poland sending trading messages through here. Let's see if we can find one in a whole different language that we haven't seen. I haven't seen it in a long time. No, I think they haven't sent any in Poland language. But like I said, this is basically the same as using the swipe option app. If you haven't watched that one, like I said, watch that one first. That way you can understand more about the app. But like I said, it's basically the same, just for different strategies. Okay, for me, this is all for right now. And go ahead and watch the video of me teaching you how to use MetaTrader 4. That way you can take advantage of these operations and understand them a little bit better. Okay, thank you for watching.